All right, go to position 2, throttle up, roll clockwise.
Well, I was lucky enough to be the first person who got to roll out the drone program here at Winfrey Academy.
10 miles of visibility, we need how many? 3.
There's the book work and the stuff they study for the test. But then there's the becoming a proficient and safe pilot, which is important if you're going to be a professional.
Several of them have earned their licenses, so they are now official FAA drone pilots.
All right, PIC, go for it.
It's a license where they can go out and immediately start making money. They can actually go out and be commercial drone pilots while they're in school or after high school.
I'm hoping to try to make it like a side gig, just to make some extra money and, maybe expand a business.
This has been a really fun thing for them. There's been a lot of camaraderie among the students.
Because you're in a group, and the group makes it fun, for sure.
They work together. Everything had to be done together, and it was exciting to see them gel as a group.
If it wasn't for Drone Club, I probably wouldn't have my friends that I made here.
Every once in a while you need to realize that's why we do this. That's why we study the maps. That's why the hard stuff isn't so hard. The world looks pretty beautiful from up there.